BSLK stock analysis and BSLK stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space with a 46,000 video track record and proof of everything, so seeing what's working for me and what's not. Especially with bold projects. Bro, let me just mark up the lows. Just get rid of this. Got the top here. Yep, not bullish. I mean, I know it went like 47% up, but I'll be honest with you and looking at it from a broader picture. If I see a double break, pre-marked is a bit lower, no doubts about it, I will look to go with the sell side. Because what the heck is this? You know what I mean? Very big discrepancy. Not financial advice though, you know, follow all these other ticker symbols as well. And if you do want to stay tuned, want to get free money-making emails and insights sent out to you, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Bye-bye.